the winter season and I'm so excited because right now I have my back door open. It is the first time in so long that I've been able to go outside with an actual jacket on. So these are gloves from this brand called KAYGO. I'm always worried I'm gonna pronounce it wrong. They just sent me this free sample so that I can give you my honest, unbiased review of their gloves. So first off, these are smalls. I have a 4.5 size ring finger, so I need very small gloves. The inside of these, let's just talk about how comfortable they are. I put these on before, but today is the day I get to use them. I'm so excited. So they're kind of like fur. Look at that. I love that because they're really soft, almost like a sock. Kind of feels like you have a sock on your hand. Then you've got this Velcro clasp that's going to adjust to your wrist. So if you have really small wrists like myself, you're going to have plenty of space there to make sure it's smaller. And then obviously if your wrists are larger, you're not going to need to Velcro as much. The actual glove itself, look at this. Okay. So you can wear these gloves. Obviously they're work gloves, but they're so warm inside. So those days that your fingers feel like they are just about to fall off when you're outside working in your garden, maybe you're working on your car or something else, you can pop these babies on and not only are you comfy on the inside, but you've got plenty of space on the outside to actually grip things. So you can see the actual grip of this almost reminds me like a very soft sandpaper. So it has grip. If you've ever used sandpaper, you know the grip that it has, but honestly, I'm so excited about these. This front of them are soft and then all of your fingers have that gripped and the palm gripped. Grip. But the palm of your hand also has that same grip. So whether you want to use these in your garden, while you're working on your car, honestly driving to work on those below zero mornings, you're gonna need them. So keep your hands warm, comfy, and ready to work this holiday season.